What's up, adventurers? Come with me as I make my Behemoth Monster Costume. Part 2, Foam Bone Spikes. Things I used were anti-fatigue floor mats, box cutter, DAP contact cement, various sanders, wood burning tools, Plasti-Dip, wood stain, acrylic paints, and plastic wrap. I did repurpose these from a previous costume. To make them, I traced the shapes I wanted out on the foam mats and cut them out. Using contact cement, I glued them into foam blocks roughly the shape I wanted. Then using sanders, I carved away extra foam and shaped them up. I carved in details like cracks and breaks. I really wanted them to look broken and worn from years of battle. Those big circular holes get filled in later with scrap pieces of foam mat. They are a remnant of the previous costume and are no longer needed. With the wood burner, I start to add more detail. On the breaks, I poke little holes to try to emulate bone marrow. Be sure to do this in a very well ventilated area and wear a respirator. The smoke is toxic and it can really burn if it gets in your eyes. I did get a bit carried away with the wood burner, digging away and deepening the cracks, adding texture to every piece that really no one but me will ever really notice. Once everything is textured, I put all the pieces on wooden dowels so I can handle them easier. Each spike gets coated in 2 to 3 thin layers of Plasti-Dip to seal the foam and prepare it for painting. I did the final layer in white Plasti-Dip to give me a white base color to paint on. Then using wood stain, I slather each piece and be sure to really get into all of the texture I had made. Just wipe off the excess. The stain really gives a lot of dimension. I did later sacrifice a paintbrush to get in the textured places easier. The paper towel works better to wipe off the excess stain. When done, let it dry for about a day or until the stain is no longer sticky. Bonus points for having a temporary creepy garden of bones. Once everything is sufficiently dry, it's time to dry brush on some white and really highlight all that texture I spent so many hours putting in. I added more on the ends and less to none towards the base to really highlight all the broken ends. The final step is corpsing the base of the spikes. See part 1 for corpsing how to. Cling wrap, heat gun, wood stain, and then some mustard black and green paints to make it look like it's rotting flesh. Remember to seal all of your hard work when you're done.